Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ubersuggest tracking scripts, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Ubersuggest tracking scripts from your website, start by logging into your website's content management system. Navigate to the admin panel where you typically manage your scripts or plugins. Locate the section where tracking scripts or code snippets are added. This may be under Settings, Custom Scripts, or a similar category. If you are using a specific plugin for tracking, go to the Plugins section. Find the Ubersuggest plugin in the list of installed plugins. Select the option to deactivate or uninstall the plugin. Next, access your website source code if you manually inserted the script. In your admin panel, navigate to the section where you can edit HTML or code. Search for the Ubersuggest tracking script code within your site's header or footer. Once found, delete the Ubersuggest tracking script code. After removing the script, save or update the changes to your website. To ensure the script is fully uninstalled, check your website's source code again. You can do this by right-clicking on your web page and selecting View Page Source. Use the search function to look for Ubersuggest. If the code does not appear, the script has been successfully removed. Lastly, clear your website cache if you use a caching plugin to see the changes immediately. Your website is now free of the Ubersuggest tracking scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.